Hi. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about brow tutorial. So if you want to see how I got my brows done, then keep on watching. Thank you. So the first thing I'll do, you brush your brows. I brush my upwards. That is what I do. I brush them up. I brush my brows upward like so. After I brush it upwards like so, I use my brow pencil. This is Davy's brow pencil. This is Davy's brow pencil, and this is number 3. Sometimes I use number 18, but this one is number 3. Davy's brow pencil. So what I will do is, from the down, I draw a line from the down. From where my brows ends, something like that. I hope you get what I'm saying. Like, so at the end of my brows, I draw a line like so, and I draw it to the end like this. Then after drawing, I'll draw from the hop to, I'll draw from the hop to the end. I follow the shape of my brows to draw the line. Then when I get to the hack, I just bring it down. I just bring it down to the first line I draw, so that this side will be tiny. After the hack, I bring it down to the first line I drew. Sorry. After that, I'll now fill the inside like so. Fill the inside. These places that don't have much hair, I'll fill in. I'll fill those places more than those places that have hair. Doesn't need much filling like that. It's only those places that don't have enough hair. Those are the places I fill more, so that it will look, what should I say? It should look the same, for it to look the same. Get what I'm saying? Like so. Filling the inside. Like so. Then I come to this side. I'll do the same thing. From down. Draw the line. Draw the line. Draw the up one. Join it to the down one after the arc. Fill it in. Fill the inside. This I don't have enough hair, so I have to use my pencil to like fill it in, because there is not enough hair this side. So to use a pencil to fill it in very well. So then I brush it again. Brushing it, I'll use a concealer or a foundation that is shade lighter than my skin tone to like clean up the downside and to define it more, to make it look more defined, clean the downside and also make it look more defined. If I want to use concealer on the upside to define it, then I'll use a concealer that is the same with my skin tone, shade of concealer or fan. Did the same thing on this side too. Remember, the two brows cannot look the same, but you just try to make them look the same. Okay, the shape of your brows, the two are not always the same, so you just try to make them look like sisters but not twins kind of shape. Thank you for watching.